My name's John Stretton and I've been involved with OffGrid Pro since the beginning. My house is quite power hungry, and with the energy crisis I was looking at ways to reduce the costs of heating, running my car, and continue to enjoy some of the things that we have as a family, a swimming pool and a hot tub, where with the price of electricity I was seriously questioning whether I should run them or not. So in 2021 and 2022, our energy costs for oil and electricity was around about £10,000. In 2023, that's looking to be less than £2,500 for both oil and electric in the house. So my motivations for putting the system in, aside from the fact we needed a demonstration system for OffGrid Pro, were threefold. One is to reduce my short-term operating costs. Secondly, to reduce my environmental impact. And lastly, to give me energy security. I live in the countryside. If the power goes down, it tends to go down for some extended periods of time. And so I wanted to be sure with the system I was able to work off-grid whenever those power cuts occur. So the system that we've installed here would cost somewhere between £35,000 and £40,000, and really has got the capacity to deliver me in excess of £8,000 a year of savings. So it's payback within 5 years. That's a system that's got an expected 14 to 25 year life, and all of that paybacks before we've contemplated the inflation rate that's applied to electricity, which we all know has been very significant over the last few years. So the solution's very modular and therefore scales very well between properties that have about 35 kilowatts of electricity consumption a day, right up into hundreds of kilowatts. Equally, it enables us to shift energy from oil to electric and make savings there. And because it's very modular, we can build the system off-site, and that makes the installation on-site much simpler and less disruptive.